2 scoops of raisins. Nobody eats Raisin Bran, come on.
Exactly.
Hi, I'm Pat. Hi, I'm Pat. She was a good woman, but she was a liar. She sold me open products. Conspiracy theory. Sally Beauty Supply selling returned open products. Dun, dun, dun. And welcome to my YouTube channel. My friend Casey's coming over. We're going to dye her hair blue and purple using these Perfect Intensity Argan Oil colors. So keep watching and don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below and the bell icon so you can get notified every time I upload a new video. Keep watching and let's do a hair transformation. So we're going to dye her hair blue and purple, but first we're going to have to lift some of this dark color out. So we're going to use 30 Volume Developer and the Ion Color Brilliance Dust Free Powder. You've seen me bleach my hair with before. So we're going to start by mixing up a batch of that, putting on some gloves, switching our shirts, making sure we don't stain anything, and we'll get this color lifted. Okay, so let's mix up some bleach. First we're going to need some gloves. Okay, so we'll start with our Ion Brilliance powder. I'm mixing bowl with my toothbrush. And like I said, some 30 Volume Developer. 2 scoops of raisins.
Does anybody eat Raisin Bran?
No. Nobody eats Raisin Bran, come on.
Exactly.
Okay, so I got this mixed up into a nice consistency. Alright, so let's get started. We're going to do the tips of this. So I'm going to just purple mohawk.
Adventure.
You're a little bit too high, so I'm just going to
Woo! Woo!
bop you down like that.
All right.
In my very professional salon chair here.
I love it.
So we're going to set a timer for 25 minutes, maybe 30. I'm going to check to see how this is and rinse it out, and we'll be back. And it's time for a strand test. Ooh. And I don't really even need to do a strand test because I can see that it's already lifting. Definitely, the color is lifting. So let's rinse that out, and we will be back to add the purple. We're back. Alright, hair is all washed out. As you can see, all of those places that we put bleach in are now nicely lightened. So the pores are open and the color will grab onto the hair follicle and be nice and bright and blue and purple. These are Argan Oil hair color. Perfect Intensity. Got these at our local Sally Beauty Supply store. That's the purple. That's the blue.
Oh. This is brand new and it's like open.
That's weird, it's not supposed to.
I know.
Okay, so this is a brand new hair dye we just bought from Sally Beauty Supply and it's open already.
Yeah, but then what are we gonna do?
Just dye your hair purple.
Weird.
Okay, so we're just gonna do purple, it turns out. See, nothing ever goes as planned. Since things aren't going according to plan, we're just going to go ahead with the purple because the blue came already open and I don't know how long it's been open and it may be back. So let's continue with purple. And sorry, no blue hair for you today. Conspiracy theory. Sally Beauty Supply selling returned open products. Dun, dun, dun. Who's the manager in this place?
Well, exactly like I go off.
She was a good woman, but she was a liar. She sold me open products. Purple mohawk. This really stains your hands and your nails and your face and your fingers and your tongue and your mouth and everything.
It does those stains.
Okay, so this is a stain, so we're gonna just leave this on for a long time. And that's it. It'll be purple. Ew. Okay, well, thanks for watching, and make sure you hit the subscribe button down below and the bell icon so you can get notified every time I upload a new video. And if you'd like to see more hair videos, you can check out the other videos on my channel to see all sorts of other things. And I'll link Casey's Instagram down below so you can see the final results as well, because she'll have lots of pictures on there. And that was it. Thanks for watching. Bye!
She was a good woman, but she was a liar. She sold me open products. She sold me open products.
Who's the manager in this place?
Well, exactly like I go off.
She was a good woman, but she was a liar. She sold me open products.
I sold me